Little Tassie 2. This is my little camper trailer. How cool is that? It's not quite finished yet, but it's pretty close. It's perfect for the little quad. The suspension's all sorted. Works a treat. Show you inside. There we go. She's got enough room to sleep one. Beer storage up the back. Bit of a shelf here. Some magnetic lights for loading stuff up. Bit of a cupboard. It's perfect. I'm absolutely bloody thrilled with it. It's cost me about $100 all up to build, including buying the flooring. Bit of shelving in here. Beer storage. Somewhere to put my crap, and enough space to lay down at full stretch. So yeah, when I'm camping, I can load all my gear in here and lock myself away. I painted it lime green inside because it was a bit dark, even with the little windows I've put in it. It's yeah, works a treat. I suppose the upside to all of this malarkey is when you're out bush and you just want to chill, you can get out of the elements and yeah, relax after a hard day's prospecting. But it's got plenty of space. There's enough room for me to swing a cat in here. It's turned out pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. The next thing is going to be taking it bush and yeah, find a bit of gold, camp for a couple of nights. I'll probably build an awning just to hang off. But yeah, it's pretty good. I hope you've got inspired to go build your own and save a heap of cash and yeah, have some fun. Cheers.